Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the binary arithmetic operations. Okay, ma? Binary arithmetic operations. That means binary addition, binary subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Out of that, binary addition and subtraction are very important. Okay, ma? So compared to binary addition, binary subtraction will be some complex. Okay, ma? And addition అనేది మనం చాలా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. Suppose if you are taking the subtraction, then we are taking the borrow from the leftmost bit like that. So by taking the borrow means you are getting some confusion about that. Okay, so to avoid that complexity, we are using addition instead of subtraction also. Okay, ma? So subtraction చేసే ప్లేస్ దగ్గర కూడా మనం ఎడిషన్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, so how to do the addition instead of subtraction? Okay, so అంటే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ బదులుగా కూడా మనం ఎడిషన్ చేస్తున్నాము అంటే how to do ఎలా చేయొచ్చు అంటే by using the complements we are doing the addition in place of subtraction also. Okay, so what is the advantage means yeah, by taking the addition, if you are designing a circuit for arithmetic operations, in that for addition, for subtraction, for multiplication and for division, we are taking the circuit will be very complex. Okay, ma? So instead of subtraction also, if you are doing addition means we need only the addition circuit only. That means the complexity of the circuit will be less. ఓకేనా, అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ బదులు కూడా ఎడిషన్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి no need to use the subtractor circuit. Okay, so the complexity of the circuit will be less. Okay, and the simplicity is also more by using the addition instead of the subtraction. Okay, ma? చూడండి, suppose ఒక simple example చూద్దాం. So if you are taking a simple example here, suppose if you are taking the two numbers adding, that means 1001. 1001. Okay, ma? Next 0010. Okay, so these are the two binary numbers we are taking. Now we are doing the binary addition. Okay, now we are doing the binary addition. Then what is the result we are getting? What is the result? So from the least significant bit we are taking the addition. One zero means we are getting 1. Okay, 01 means 1. 00 means 0. 10 means here 1. Okay, ma? So in this way we are getting binary addition. Okay, the same will be doing the subtraction. How to do the subtraction from here? That means 1001. Actually, what is the decimal equivalent for 1001? What is the decimal equivalent? 9. Are you remember? So we are taking the table for hexadecimal numbers and octal numbers. Okay, ma? So that will be remembered here. Okay, 9 means the binary equivalent for 9 is 1001. Okay, next the binary equivalent for 0010, the decimal equivalent, sorry, the decimal equivalent is 2. Okay, 9 plus 2 means what is the resultant we are getting? The resultant we are getting 11. For that 1011, 1011 ki మనం డెసిమల్ ఈక్వివలెంట్ చేసాము అనుకున్నామా, that is getting 11. Okay, so 9 plus 2 11. In binary addition, how to do that? 1001 0010. We are taking the equivalent binary numbers and we are adding, then we are getting the equivalent 11. Okay, So in the same way, if you are taking the binary subtraction, how to do the binary subtraction here? 1001, the same 9 minus 2 here we are doing. Okay, Amma? That means 1001 minus 0010. Okay, 0010. Here we are doing the binary subtraction. Okay. Then how to take the result here? How to take the result? 1 minus 0 means from the least significant bit we are doing the subtraction. Okay, 1 minus 0 means, so that is 0. You don't have any confusion there. Okay, ma? Next only. Here, one minus 0 means we are getting 0. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. We are not getting the subtraction here. So how to do? So taking the borrow from here. ఇక్కడ నుంచి borrow తెచ్చుకోవాలమ్మా. So ఇక్కడ కూడా 0 నే ఉంది. Borrow తెచ్చుకోవడానికి no chance from this leftmost bit. So from here we are taking the borrow. ఓకేనా? సో అంటే 1 ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి తీసుకొచ్చినప్పుడు దిస్ బికమ్స్ 10. ఈ 10 లో నుంచి 10 అంటే 2 ని తీసుకొచ్చినట్టమ్మా మనం. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ డెసిమల్. సో 10 లో నుంచి ఒక 1 ని మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి బారో తెచ్చుకోవాలి. సో అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? హియర్ 10 minus 1. Sorry, here 1 minus 0 means this is 1. Okay, this bit becomes 1. So here 0 minus 1 means that is not possible. Taking the borrow from the leftmost bit. Here 0. There is no, ఇక్కడ మనం బారో తెచ్చుకోవడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో మళ్ళీ ఇంకో లెఫ్ట్ మోస్ట్ బిట్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాము. ఇక్కడ నుంచి బారో తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి బారో తెచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు ఈ బిట్ 10 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఈ బిట్ 10 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 10 దగ్గర నుంచి మనం ఒక 1 ని ఇక్కడికి తెచ్చుకుంటాం. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? బారో తెచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు దిస్ బికమ్స్ 10. 10 minus 1 becomes 1. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ 10 ఉన్న దాంట్లో ఒక 1 ని ఇటు తెచ్చుకున్నాం కదమ్మా బారో. 10 లో ఒక 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసేస్తే మనకి రిమైనింగ్ వచ్చే బిట్ ఎంత? 1. అవును కదా? సో 10 లో నుంచి ఒకటి బారో తీసేసాం, పక్కకి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాం. సో 10 minus 1 means that is equivalent to 1. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి 1 ఉన్నట్టు. 1 minus 0 that becomes 1. సో ఇక్కడ 1 అసలు బారో తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయాం. హియర్ 0 will be there. 0 minus 0 0. ఓకేనా? సో what is the equivalent here? What is the equivalent? This will be equivalent to 7. Okay అమ్మా? అంటే 9 minus 2 that is equal to 7. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం బారో తెచ్చుకునేటప్పుడు ఏంటి? కొంచెం కాంప్లెక్సిటీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాం. కాబట్టి సో బై డూయింగ్ ద సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ we are substituting that with addition. ఓకేనా? సో ఎడిషన్ తో మనం చేయొచ్చు అన్నమాట సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ ని కూడా. హౌ టు డూ దాట్ మీన్స్ బై యూజింగ్ ద కాంప్లిమెంట్స్. The next topic is complements. By using these complements, we are doing the subtraction also by using the addition. Okay, ma? That is the purpose of these complements. Okay, so what is the complements means here? Are you understand why we are having some complexity in subtraction here? Okay. To avoid this complexity, we are taking the addition only in case of subtraction also. For doing that, we are using the complements. Okay, Amma? So now we are going to the today's topic, complements. Okay, Amma? Here, complements are used in digital computers for simplifying the subtraction operation and for logical manipulation. Okay, ma? Complements are used in digital computers for simplifying the subtraction operation. And this subtraction operation is simplify cheyadaniki we are using the complements, and for logical manipulation. Okay, ma? See here, there are two types of complements for each base R system. Base R ante, so here we are having totally 4 number systems. Those will be binary, the base is 2, decimal, the base is 10, octal, the base is 8, hexadecimal, the base is 16. Okay, Amma? So here for each number system, we are having two types of complements. Okay, Ma? For each number system, we are having two types of complements. Those will be radix complement, base or radix, both are same. Okay, Ma? Base or radix means both are same. So one complement is radix complement, that will be known as Ars complement. Okay, Ma? Ars complement. The next one is diminished radix complement. Diminished radix complement, that means R minus 1's complement. Diminished radix complement means R minus 1's complement. So here we are using two types of complements for each base R system. One complement is radix complement, that will be known as Ars complement. Complement here. Okay. So diminished radix complement means that will be known as R minus 1's complement. Okay, na? See here. If you are taking the binary number system means what is the base here or radix? The base is 2. Okay. For binary number system, the base is 2. Okay, amma, two complements untayani cheppam kada, R's complement and R minus 1's complement. That means here base is 2 kadamma. So here 2's complement means that is nothing but R's complement. Okay. Next, diminished radix complement means that will be taking as R minus 1. R minus 1. R minus 1's complement. Okay, na? So, ikkada manaki base anedi 2 kadamma, R's complement ante 2's complement. R minus 1 means 2 minus 1, that is 1's complement. Are you understand here? R's complement means 2's complement. R minus 1's 2 minus 1, that is 1's complement. And for binary numbers, we are using the complements 1's complement and 2's complements. Okay, ma? For the decimal number system, what is the base for decimal number system? Base or radix, both are same. Okay, base is 10. So here we are having 10's complement, that is R's complement. R minus 1's complement means 10 minus 1, that is 9's complement. Okay, ma? Here complement. Okay, ma? So here binary number systems kaite we are taking 1's complement, 2's complement. For decimal number system, we are having 9's complement and 10's complement. Okay, ma? So these are the complements we are taking. Suppose if you are taking octal number system. For octal number system, what are the complements we will be taking for octal? For octal means what is the base or radix? Base is equal to 8. So R's complement means 8's complement. 8's complement. R minus 1 means 8 minus 1, that is 7's complement. Okay. So 8's complement and 7's complement for octal number system. For hexadecimal number system, what is the base for hexadecimal number system? 16. Okay. So what is R's complement here? 16's complement. Okay, ma? 16's complement. R minus 1 means 16 minus 1, that is 15's complement. Okay. These are the complements we are using in general number systems. Do you understand? So here for any number system, we are having two complements. This will be R's complement and R minus 1's complement. And you understand? For binary, 1's complement and 2's complement. For decimal, 9's complement and 10's complement. For octal, 8's complement and 7's complement. For hexadecimal, 16th complement, 15th complement. Okay, ma? These are the complements we are using. Okay. So next, how to find out ones complement here? Okay. If you listen this class, then this is very easy to understand. Okay. So చూడమ్మా, ones complement. Ones complement means this is for binary number system. For binary number system, we are taking ones complement and twos complement. In binary number system, what are the numbers we are considered? Only ones and zeros. Ones and zeros. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా, ones complement. Ones complement means suppose if the given number is taking here, how to calculate the ones complement means in binary numbers we are having only ones and zeros. So ones complement means by changing 1 to 0 and zeros to ones, then that becomes a ones complement. Just 1 ఉన్న చోటల్లా 0 ప్లేస్ చేస్తామమ్మా, 0 ఉన్న చోటల్లా ones ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం. That is that, then that becomes a ones complement. ఓకేనా? చూడండి, ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి. ఈజీలీ we are considering this ones complement. So the given number is 10101. Okay, this is the given number 10101. Okay, how to calculate the ones complement here? By changing ones to zeros and zeros to ones. చూడండి, సో వన్స్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఎలా వస్తుందమ్మా? 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 0 వేసాం, ఇక్కడ 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 వేసుకున్నాం, 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. Okay, this is ones complement.